Hi, I'm Dr. Dave O'Connell. You can just call me Dr. O. This is Principles of Management, Management 210 in the College of Business at St. Ambrose University. I'm so glad you're here and will be part of the class. Let's jump in. Now, the course objectives are the same whether you're in this section or any other section, and 4 major things are what we hope you really can take away from the course. The first is mindset and skill. This is about having the mindset, the way of thinking about things that's typical of good management, and some of the skills to get you started in that direction. The second major learning outcome is about equipping you in terms of evidence-based practice, not just off the cuff lessons learned, but things that have been demonstrated, written about. They're great examples, maybe for a long time, maybe some things are fairly new, but evidence-based, not just mythology or a few lessons learned from 1 or 2 people. Impact. We want to equip you to make a positive impact. If you're going to be working in a for-profit business, which would be the case for probably most students in the class career-wise, to have a very effective and efficient organization while also, say, treating employees and shareholders and community members in ways that have a very positive impact, no matter what kind of organization you're working in. And the fourth key area for learning is about career. There's a paper towards the end of our quick 3 weeks that helps you think through career planning in a way that's meaningful to you. I know we have people in the course who are freshmen, people who are seniors, and so there's going to be some flexibility in picking an approach to thinking through your career planning in a way that's most useful to you. Okay, when you hear this word, management, what comes to mind? Is it a good thing? A troublesome thing? Is it about being in charge? Is it about being very organized? All of us probably have some things in mind when we hear that word. And it's my hope that your set of ideas that comes to mind when we talk about management is going to be greatly enriched in the course of 3 weeks. Let's look at one definition. John Kotter, a famous author and teacher in leadership and in management as well, has a simple definition of management as a set of processes to keep a system of people and technology running smoothly. Pretty simple. A set of processes to keep an organization, a group of people and technology getting things done smoothly. That's a pretty good start. We'll have many more viewpoints on management as the semester moves along. And these are 6 typical functions of management. We're going to take a moment now and just quickly walk through each of these 6. The first is planning. If you're going to run a system, even a very small system, in a way that's going to function well, you have to be planful. You have to look ahead and line up some pieces and set some goals and some targets and be able to put together a good plan. Organizing is central to good management. Here we see people being organized in these little wooden blocks, an image of people, which is a big part of organizing well. But management also has technology. I guess very broadly we could put materials and supplies and mechanical systems, electronic systems, and so forth, things that need to be organized in order for things to run smoothly and efficiently. Directing is a significant part of managing. This is giving order and giving direction to how things need to be connected together and work well and move forward. Controlling. Now, I realize sometimes that has a negative connotation, but here it's very much neutral. It's really positive. It's about measuring, knowing where the organization stands, keeping track of time, quantity, customer satisfaction, quality levels. If you're not measuring things, you're going to have a hard time managing well. So control systems, Really, really important. The fifth element is staffing. Getting the right people in your organization in the right seats on the bus, so to speak, is key to organizational excellence. The sixth function of management we're going to look at in this quick overview is budgeting. Now, this isn't an accounting class, but we want to keep in mind that things come with a cost, and having a planful approach to what the financial side is of whatever we're planning to do is just smart management. So we're going to keep that in view, although it certainly won't be the main focus of this class. So those are the six key functions of management: planning, organizing, directing, controlling, budgeting, and staffing. Now, as we head into the next video, I'm just going to give a little teaser here of the many roles of managers. Of course, I might have spelled it a little bit wrong here, kind of on purpose, but it's been good to spend this first 5-6 minutes with you, and I look forward to continuing our exploration of management in the next short video. Take care.